his service for the people. As my talk also I mentioned, building the team, building the leading person, all together, the taking ownership and responsibility. He has narrated very nicely in his book. And next to Professor Kabali P. Subramanian from Arab Open University, Oman. He is also having a vision to construct the community for the ecosystem in business as well as social context. And he is having the visionary for strategy formulations. It's very, very important because the ideas, the theories, the concepts are the baseline for building a strong community, a strong nation. So I congratulate Professor Kabali P. Subramanian for this Global Kantar Award. Thank you so much for your response.
Dr. Ram,
Yes.
let us give them 5 minutes as we promised them to give 5 minutes to speak. So let us
Yeah,
give
maybe we can start from Venkat
yeah.
first, then later to Professor Kabali. Yeah, please go back. One second. So, Dr. Venkat, can you mention something about your response for this award? Dr. Venkat, are you there? Okay, let me move to the next. Dr. Venkat, are you there?
His camera is off. Now let's move to Dr. Kapil.
Yeah, Professor Kabali. Sir, over to you. You can spotlight.
Thank you.
Yes.
Yeah. Thank you very much. It's really an honor and pleasure to receive this wonderful award on a very auspicious day, International Labor's Day, May 1st. And really, I thank ACE and EduFam for organizing this wonderful platform. Today, more than anything, it's great learning from great people, the dignitaries who shared their experience and expertise on this very important area of human development. And at this juncture, I would like to thank my parents, my teachers, friends, family, and my dear students, because I have learned a lot. Whatever I am today, it is because of my students. I have learned a lot by interacting with them. And my philosophy towards life is try to learn. I'm a continuous learner. Try to learn as much as possible and die empty, and try to give share. So just at this moment, I would like to highlight one thing. This century is a very important century for the humankind, and this is going to be driven by entrepreneurs with the support of laborers and all the people. So therefore, let us all try to celebrate entrepreneurship. Let us all try to celebrate startups, and then try to support the entire community. We need to support, because they are going to make this world more beautiful with all our support. Of course, every human effort, I strongly believe, is to make this world a beautiful place. So in that, let's all share our efforts and support the future, who are young entrepreneurs and startup founders who are going to make this world a better place. Once again, I would like to thank all for recognizing some of our work, and we need your support and blessings and wishes to do more. Thank you very much.
Dr. Venkat is there. Thank you, Professor Kabali, sir. It's a great pleasure for us to have you with us. Dr. Venkat, are you there? Yeah, you can unmute.
We'll come back to him.
Yes. Yeah.
He's there. He's there.
Thank you. Thank you, Dr. Ram. Thank you. I'm overjoyed to be part of this mega May Day event. Professional bodies with even over 600 members in a city find it harder to get 50 people on Zoom today. So I'm honored to receive this award in a gathering of 100 people. That shows the respect that the international community has for ACE International and for EduFam. Corona was a very transformational period for me. I was a frog in the well until then, going to office, coming back from office tired, and waiting for the weekends. But the lockdown opened up a lot of opportunities for me. Staying indoors meant that more time is available for developing myself and to contribute to the society. So one of the first things that started was I worked along with volunteers to cook meal for people whose work got affected during the lockdown. And COVID changed a lot of fate of people around me. Say when I knew that somebody's business gets affected and they get admitted in the hospital and they post it in the group, a lot of people post a message, take care, take care, take care. Somebody whose business gets affected, they cannot show 30 take care messages to a bank teller and get 30,000 rupees redeemable, right? So my question was, how can I give care? So even before, even without asking them, when I know that they have GPay, I used to transfer money and then inform them. So that way, I'm happy that I've been able to do some service to the people who were in need, because I was saving money as well by staying at home, no diesel expenses a lot. So it was a great opportunity to give something back to the society. And I'm a humorist, so I love motivation through humor in many of my workshops, and I did it differently during the COVID period as well. For example, when the vaccination drive started and senior citizens were the first to get vaccinated, there were people who were not taking it seriously. So I went to the Madras War Cemetery, posted a picture in the background with a message like January and February. After that, March does not rhyme with it like mortuary. Get your parents vaccinated. This is the time for everybody to live longer. So one of my friends who was in the US and had his parents in Bangalore, he got little fearful and also motivated by looking at that message. And he got his parents vaccinated that weekend and messaged me. And there were a lot of training opportunities which I had made use of. The first opportunity was, of course, offered by ACE International, Dr. Ram, as a panelist. And there is a lot to give back to the maintenance workers. So I conducted a workshop for servant maids and maintenance workers, children in Mahendra World City, a cartoon-based interactive program. And there were a lot of interactive programs on cracking wisecracks for children on the International Happiness Day, a session for school children called the Magic Carpet. And I also encouraged children who were working on authoring their books by reviewing their books and conducted a number of Facebook programs on sweetening the work life, wrote a Teachers' Day anthem. Of course, as I was writing my second book, I spoke to my publisher and asked him how his business is doing. He told me that not many people are willing to write a book now because no one knows if they are going to survive the next month or not. So COVID taught me a lot about uncertainty of life and gave me a sense of urgency to put the skills for benefits of people. So that helped me to truly realize die empty philosophy. And that is what I have been, at least off late, practicing more consciously and aggressively in giving back to the society. And thank you so much, ACE International EduFund, for recognizing this and honoring. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
So the next awardee for the Global Kantar Award International Workers' Day 2021, Colonel Aditya Singhal ji. He is a very good, experienced army professional. Not only that, he is a life coach and he is a mentor for career aspects for many people who want to struggle, how to roadmap for their career. I have attended his talk as well as his forum when he is providing the auspicious thing for the people. Good vibrations, good thoughts, always remember the good moments. I'm very happy to announce this Global Kantar Award 2021 to Colonel Aditya Singhal ji. Over to Aditya Singhal ji.
Please unmute yourself and then speak, Aditya ji.
You can unmute.
Good morning, everyone, and thank you, Dr. Ram, and thank you, Dr. Halima. It is always a matter of great honor for me to be part of any activity wherein Dr. Halima is involved, because he's been a big motivating factor in my life right from the day we attended this train the online trainer course. And I'm really thankful to each one of you for having selected me for this particular award. And right now, I'm still a work in progress. I'm attempting to transform the lives of the youth by providing them the required career guidance and mentoring so that they can select the right career for themselves as per their requirement and as per their capabilities, and thereafter help them to excel in that particular field wherever they decide to go. And in addition, I'm also here to guide the youth who want to join the armed forces by mentoring them to prepare for the selection board interview. And I hope to make a difference in the society, not only by helping the youth in selecting a career, plus also in becoming a more responsible citizen, especially in these times what our country is facing, where each one of us has to realize our responsibilities and become more responsible. Well, we cannot leave everything towards the government. We have to do our own duty in terms of following the COVID protocols and in terms of staying at home, maintaining social distances, and all these things which are very important to control this epidemic. So thank you very much, Dr. Halima, and thank you everyone.
Thank you, Colonel Aditya ji. Next award is going to Mr. Stephen Tenson. We are very happy to announce this Global Counter Award 2021 to Mr. Stephen. He is an associate professor in India with the renowned institutions. We are very happy to have you here and happy to honor you with this Global Counter Award 2021. Over to Mr. Stephen.
Good morning, sir. Am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
Okay, so thank you very much, sir, Dr. Ram, Dr. Halima ma'am. So initially, as I have mentioned in the chat box today morning, initially I was attracted because of Dr. Ram's name, because I knew him in the platform of Tabligh, which I attended on the 1st of January this year. So from that time onward, there is no going back. So I'm very, very fortunate to have now on the same platform with you from Singapore and Madam Halima from UAE. So now the world is really in my just click away. So I could never think of this situation. And yes, at this particular point of time, I would like to let everyone know that I'm very much thankful to Arun Subramaniam sir. So because of his Tabligh and his expertise, which make me like feeling very, very lively, and I can do something or I contribute something for the betterment of the world as a whole. Because in India, I think for quite some time now, we do have what is used to be said by great people: think global, act local. So with that, I feel I'm now a part of the global world already. Yes, about myself, I was initially aimed to be a school teacher, teaching mathematics in high school. But yes, I'm very much lucky. I could proceed further and doing my master in economics. And now I'm an associate professor in a college. So going away, I'm moving away from my academic duties. I do have also a commitment and have been involved actively in the works like conservation, preservation, or promotion of traditional knowledge available in the area, and also very much active in community services, how to preserve or conserve this freshwater bodies, or we can say forest resources, which is also a habitat to animals, birds, and every living things that we also as human beings need to live together. So with that, I think I don't have much, because I don't. I'm also not so far comfortable speaking in front of big people, but I should thank Tabligh because this is the first time that I'm talking to great people or in front of great people. So thank you very much for this recognition. So this will give me a lot more energy to go forward in my life. So thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. We are very happy to have you here. And we are moving to the next awardee, Mr. Mohammad Sharif. He is having nearly few decades of teaching experience for secondary school and junior college in Anglo-Chinese School, Singapore. And he is a deputy dean serving for the administration activity of the school. I know him very well. He is a very good hearted and supportive teacher for students who want to build their talents not only in the subject level, also to the society and community level. So he is the person of making example for many people in the school as well as society in Singapore. I would like to congratulate him by honoring this Global Kantar Award 2021 to him. Over to Mr. Mohammad Sharif.
Thank you, Dr. Ram.
Please go
Thank you,
ahead.
Dr. Halima. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, greetings, ladies and gentlemen from Singapore. It's a great honor and I'm humbled to receive this award. To say, this is noon time here and I'm fasting, it doesn't matter. So thank you, Dr. Ram. It's an opportunity to meet this intellectual and academics all over the world. It's really a honor as an educator here over 2 decades, as Dr. Ram mentioned. This is my 25th year in the field of education, nurturing the young minds and for the future global citizens. As per our school's motto, we would like to produce the global mindedness students and citizens to serve the community. I had an opportunity to work with Dr. Ram with many of the social and literary associations in Singapore to provide the leadership and social service opportunities to our students. Basically, beyond the classroom experience, to provide the career guidance, counseling, scholarship advisors, and social service trainings, and also the community service feeling. So we have made possible this through our organizations with the help of Dr. Ram and other fellow well-wishers here in Singapore. We have trained and provided opportunity of many, about more than a few hundred students for the past 10 years, the journey that we have been associated with. So thank you very much. Nothing much to add. I'm honored to receive this award. And a lot of educationists, academics, and intellectuals are there. Let's all work towards the betterment of the world, and let's all become a global citizens to serve each and every one of the fellow human beings. Thank you very much. And over to you, Dr. Ram.
Thank you, and we are also very happy and honored to have you for this kind of award distribution. Thank you for giving the opportunity for us also. The next awardee, Mr. Arun Sharma, is chartered accountant in professional, having more than 3 decades of experience in his profession. Now he is the director of Edgewise Training. He is the business coach, life coach, now giving a lot of ideas for the business, not only for the business, also to your life through spiritual empowerment and enhancement. He's the person of cordial thing to contribute many things, the values to the society. He doesn't want to express all these things to the public, but I know very personally about his good heartedness, how he is contributing the service for the required people without any kind of publicity or advertisement. I welcome Mr. Arun Sharma to have some speech about this Global Kantar Award 2021 contributed to him. Mr. Arunji, are you there?
Dr. Ram, and next we'll move. And I request you, because we are running short of time, so we have to be very quick now.
Okay. Okay. The next awardee is Ms. Fatima Zuina Muhammad. She's an educator in profession, and she's the kindergarten school teacher. And she's also a social worker, just from UAE. And she is very good in social contribution and sharing the messages to the community to uplift their life. Ms. Zuina, you want to share some few words?
Yes, I wouldn't take much of time. Yes, being a leader, being a teacher, balancing extracurricular. Have I muted? Right.
You are audible.
Okay. So being a teacher, balancing extracurricular activities such as updating and upgrading myself as a teacher and as a social worker, I never had the time to stop and to reflect. With Halima ma'am's blessings and recognitions, and Dr. Ram, I hope he accepts me as a mentee amongst the thousands others he has been guiding throughout. It will be a great honor for me. Well, having to know the both of you is a great honor to me, and now to be in this platform is a great honor to me. Making myself readily available for the students who are in need of not just educational support, but emotional support as well during this pandemic time is something which I am trying my level best to occupy myself with. There are many campus students who are suffering in Sri Lanka due to the situation, and I'm unable to reach out to them as I should. I'm never satisfied or content with how much I do or share. It breaks my heart that I'm not physically there to help them out. Well, I get too emotional and held at the situation until I'm able to do some small support in any situation. Maybe I have a long way to go and so much to learn. And with such platforms to recognize me and to put me among such great personalities, it definitely inspires me. And I'm forever grateful to all of you. Thank you very much, ma'am. Thank you very much, sir, and to all of you. Have a blessed day.
Thank you, Ms. Fatima Zuina. We are very happy to announce the next awardee, Ms. Kalevani Ilango. She is also an educator, and she is working in Singapore Ministry of Education by profession. We are very, very happy to announce due to some constraints, she could not able to join today because of their family person's sickness. We are very happy to announce the next award to Ms. Nishi Sharma for the Global Kantar Award 2021. Ms. Nishi is available?
Yes, she is.
Thank you so much, ma'am and sir, for providing me such a huge opportunity. I just want to say thanks a lot to Halima ma'am, because when she come in my life, she has become my woman luck. Because of her, I am achieving a lots of achievements. I am learning so much things. So I just want to thank Halima ma'am from core of my heart. Thank you so much, Halima ma'am, for providing me such a huge opportunity.
You are welcome, my dear.
Very nice to hear from Ms. Nishi. The next awardee is Ms. Jayalakshmi Parnichami. She is a teacher in kindergarten, and she's working with the sorry, I can't see that. Master Hand Student Care Singapore. I would like to welcome her to have this honor Global Kantar Award 2021. I would like to ask her to speak for a few words. Over to Ms. Vijay.
Good afternoon to everyone, Dr. Ram and Halima. Firstly, I have to thank everyone for having me here to receive I'm a teacher, and I would like to say that there are two qualities that I treasure a lot. One is patience in a teacher, and the other one is love for children. Why? Because I think these two qualities will help you to mold a child to their fullest potential. And I had a lot of beautiful moments with children, and I would like to say two moments that I really enjoyed with them. Once when I was teaching the 18 months children in a childcare, so at times when they were sleeping, I had to go out to buy my lunch. But whenever I do that, the children sometimes they get up and they cry, and some of my teachers had to control them. So when I go back to the student, the childcare, my co-teachers they will say that Jaya, they call me Jaya, and they say that Jaya, your children doesn't want us; they only want you. So it is like the relationship I had with them. It was very beautiful. So I enjoyed all those moments. And the other one is I'm working in the student care right now, and actually I'm working from home. I haven't stepped into the center, but before that, when I was a supervisor there, I was guiding all the primary school children. I was sick once, and then I had to stay at home. And when I reported this to the principal, and she told me, Jaya, if you're better a bit, why don't you come to the center and then rest in the area where there's a sick bay? Because when the children know that you are there, at least they are very happy and they can go about doing their work. So it is like, I feel very, very happy with them. I think that I have established myself, firstly, as a human being, and secondly, as a teacher. And I still learn a lot of things from them. I'm so happy with them. So I think as a teacher, you really need the quality inside you to bloom the children's lives. Yeah, thank you. Thank you for having me here. Thanks.
Thank you, Ms. Vijayalakshmi. We are very happy to announce the next awardee for the Global Kantar Award 2021, Ms. Reena Singh. She is the principal and trainer. She is training a number of students, and she is from the Cuddle House, Faridabad, India. I would like to invite her to speak for a few words. Over to Ms. Reena Singh.
Please unmute yourself, Reena.
It's not open. She can't.
Okay. Hello, everyone. It's a great honor and pleasurable moment for me to receive this award. And I'm really thankful, especially to Dr. Halima, who got me in touch with Dr. Ram here and connected me to a lot of learners and learning leaders here. So I feel that my whole life is just thinking back, reflecting on what I have done, and I'm learning on each day. So I feel that every moment is a great opportunity for all of us to learn something new and contribute to the society. So my whole purpose of being here is what I can do next and how I can achieve my goals. So at personal level, professional level, or for society per se. So my understanding is we should have clear approach, we should have clear vision, our mission for ourselves. Then you can help the organization, society, and your family at a larger scale. So as an individual, journey is always from I and it becomes to we. And we should use the best tools which we already have, all our senses, our brain, our heart, and our hands. So everything has been given by God, and these wonderful people around you will give you opportunity to learn and grow better. So why not to utilize this time and moment to make oneself a lifelong learner? So especially with early years education, I learned this from children that they are always ready to learn. And that reminds me of a story, which is the simplest story and everybody knows about, that thirsty crow. So the water is there, it's already there in them. We are the facilitators who will provide them those pebbles of experiences. When they throw inside, the water comes up automatically. So we are nothing but the collaborators and co-learners. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Very wonderful message. Thank you, Ms. Reena Singh. The next awardee we are very happy to announce to Mrs. Veena Bijoy. She is an educator working in UAE in UAE. we are very happy to award the Global Counter Award 2021 to Ms. Veena. Over to Ms. Veena.
Thank you, Halima ma'am and Dr. Ram. I'm almost lost of words. Even being nominated for Global Contour Award is an honor, but to receive is just amazing. I feel humble, but at the same time, incredibly proud too. I'm very pleased also because it was my dream to accept an award recognizing my qualities and hard work. I had received Best Teacher Award in the year 2019 for my dedication, administrative skills, and leadership qualities. But to receive one on International Workers' Day is a proud moment. And today, you the great personalities are present at fulfillment of my dream. I can't express my excitement and inspiration with this award. Let me take this opportunity to thank my family, teachers, and my parents, especially dedicating this to my mom, who is the reason I am here in this educational field. Once again, thank you, Halima ma'am, and ACE International Private Limited and EduFam International Academy for choosing me. Thank you once again. I'm very proud of myself, and thank you once again.
Oh,
Thank
you are welcome.
You are welcome to. So we are very happy to announce the next Global Counter Award 2021 to Ms. Hajra Kamal. She is also an educationist working in the kindergarten school, UAE. I welcome Ms. Hajra to say a few words.
Yes, I'm Hajra Kamal with you all. I'm really grateful and thankful to Ms. Halima and Dr. Ram for providing me with an honorable award. And I'm blessed today to be present among all the great leaders. I request all of them to bless me to walk on their footsteps. I'm really grateful and thank you once again to Dr. Halima ma'am and Dr. Ram. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ms. Hajra.
Thank you, sir.
We are very happy to announce the next award to Mrs. R. Trichelvi. She is working as an assistant professor and admission advisor, Department of Bioengineering in Wales Institute of Science and Technology, Advanced Studies, Chennai. So we are very happy to announce this Global Counter Award 2021 to Mrs. R. Trichelvi. I welcome to give a few words. Yes, you can.
Good afternoon, everyone. So I thank Dr. Ramsar and Halima ma'am for giving the opportunity to receive this award. So the thing I want to highlight in this day was, so every changes happens in a small place. So I want to make the changes with my studies. So I have started with the students. So I encourage all the students who are taught in my college. So not only in the marks and just identifying the talents, what is hindering in them, and just I'm motivating them and I'm trying to show the path in what they have to achieve. So I'm in such a way I want to unique from all other teachers. So I'm doing that, and apart from that, I'm just giving a free education to the nearby students who are not able to afford like that. So like this, I want to make use of my education by serving like this. So thank you once again for giving this award. So this means a lot for me to achieve and a lot more to go. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much for your kind of registration for this award. We are very happy to announce the next Global Counter Award 2021 goes to Dr. Jayanthi Chinnappa Thenmozhiyal. She is the Director of Spin Home Human Excellence Private Limited, Singapore. I would like to welcome Dr. Thenmozhiyal to say a few words. Are you there? Dr. Tenmoyal, are you there? Please ask to unmute. Yes. Yes, you unmute and speak.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry about that. Thank you very much, Dr. Ram, for the kind introduction. I'm really very much honored and very humbled to receive this award on this special day from very special people like Dr. Ram and Dr. Halima. Whoever know them personally know they spend most of their time in service. So they are very apt person to give this. And I take this honor and appreciation as motivational prompt to contribute more. I really feel very humbled because I don't feel enough to receive this award. So it can be a motivational prompt to proceed, do more in the future endeavors. I have moved from the academic career to the technical side, the business career. So it is a new prompt for me to contribute. But only one message I would want to say to this learned crowd is that life poses us a choice of having a wonderful, meaningful life, and the other way also. The choice is in us to take that, no matter what the life poses hurdles in our life. The choice is ours, and I call upon everyone to make the right choice to make our life more meaningful by presenting ourselves the best of us in our thoughts, words, and deeds. Yeah, that is the message I wanted to share. Thank you again for motivating me. Thanks.
Thank you, madam. Thank you so much. And it is the time for me to announce.
To thank everyone, and a big round of applause to all the awardees. Please clap for them, everyone. And my dear lovely children are waiting since